down after our count, guys. Okay. Siguro, marami na kayo na-miss. Na-miss ko na yung ibang mga pagkain, no? Sa inyong bahay. Okay. Gusto ko yung tubog-tubog. Okay, I'm going to give you a bridge about the ABCs of the Youth Camp 2013. Okay. We're doing it yearly and annually at our camp here. Dito sa Prayer Mountain. And a lot of young people really blessed during the camp. So isa sa topic natin, and the theme of the camp is Step Up for Jesus. Para bang step up, another one forward step. And then the other one is a backward step. Because step up for Jesus, step forward, and step out of your comfort zone. So isang medyo atras na kaunti. The word is, number one, the ABCs of Camp 2030. Number one is the word availability. Okay? Availability. Somebody say availability. You avail